Mabuti na lang dumating ka dahil kung hindi, baka nasira ko na yung puntod ni Basil.
Samahan na kita. Ayan oh. Dami kong dalang beer. Basagin mo na.
Ano?
Basagin mo na. George, you're hurting. Nalaman mo na nga na niloko ka ni Basil. May resibo pa. Magalit ka. Magwala ka.
Hindi mo man lang ba ipagtatanggol yung best friend mo?
For cheating on his wife? Hell no.
Nag-cheat na ba si Basil in the past?
I guess he cheated not because he likes Beverly. He cheated because he wants to escape something.
At ano naman ang gusto niyang takasan? Ako?
I don't think so. Basil is much more complicated than he lets on. Cheers.
Kanino yung mga gamit na yan? Don't tell me dito ka na rin titira.
Yun kasi ang gusto ni Sir. I mean, Tito or Papa Galvan. See you around, housemate.